So for my tree, I'm gonna add in a few drops of the green. 1, 2.
I'm gonna dip it in my pink. Woo!
Princess Toy Review.
Hi Princess Pham!
Hi Prince and Princesses, it's Princess Granny.
Today we're gonna be doing the milk art
Challenge?
science experiment.
Oh! An
And-
experiment even better than a challenge.
Yeah, and it's gonna be the Christmas edition.
Oh, what do we need for this experiment?
Well, we're gonna need some bowls. We're gonna need some dish soap, some cookie cutters, some milk.
There's even a measuring cup, some cotton swabs, and food coloring. We have purple, pink, teal, red, green, blue, and yellow.
Alright, Granny, should we check out what cookie cutters we have to see which one we want to do?
Yes, let's check them out.
Alright, let's open it. Ah, there we have it.
Let's do it. Come on.
Granny, I see a Christmas tree. I also see a snowflake.
I see Olaf the snowman.
I also see, I think this is, it's a polar bear.
And do you know what this is? A penguin.
Ooh, cute. I also see, what is this? Oh, this must be a skate.
Snow. Let it snow.
A mitten.
More snow.
And, I see a little star. Alright, let's take turns choosing which one we want to do. I'll do 2 and you do 2.
Okay, you start or I start?
Me, please. 'Cause
Okay.
I want to do the Christmas tree.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Keep on picking.
Okay, and now it's your turn. We gotta take turns.
I will choose this pretty snowflake.
Ooh, pretty. And I want to do the snowman.
And I want to do the penguin. And now where's the cereal to go with the milk?
There is no cereal for this experiment, Granny.
Oh.
We're doing the milk art. Remember, you gotta focus.
Oh, milk or not milk cereal. Or...
Yes, okay. So for the next step, all you're gonna do is put half a cup of milk in each of your bowls.
Okay. Oh, can you hold this for me?
Yes, I can.
I need to engage my strong arms.
Okay, make sure you ask a parent for help if you need it, or
And
a
don't
grandparent.
spill your milk.
Okay, I'll put it in here for you. This is half a cup.
More for the next bowl.
Next one, we're gonna pour in here for the snowflake. And now for the last bowl. Oh, hey, there's a bubble. And into my bowl. Okay, now let's put our cookie cutters inside our milk.
Just like this?
Now I'm gonna do it one at a time. I'm gonna put my snowman right in here. And I'm gonna put my tree right here.
Oh, I'm going to put my penguin right here and my snowflake right here.
All right. And now I'm gonna take some of this dish soap and I'm just gonna prepare for the experiment by putting it in a small beaker. And you really just need a little bit. And then we're almost to the experiment part.
Almost, I can't wait.
Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some food coloring to our milk.
Which one are you gonna pick?
Well, I'm gonna actually add 2 different colors to each bowl. I'm gonna put one inside my cookie cutter and then another one out, but you can add however much you want.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I want pink.
Well, I think for my first one, I'm gonna use the green and I'm gonna use the red.
Like Christmas. Too late, I already picked the pink. Well then with the pink, I will go purple.
So for my tree, I'm gonna add in a few drops of the green. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm gonna add some red on the outer part. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, and how about 5?
Yeah, I'm gonna add some pink on the inside. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the outside, I'm gonna add some purple.
Now, You each take a Q-tip, one for
Ooh,
you
thank you.
and one for me.
And now we clean the ears?
Ew, no, Granny. We're gonna use it and we're going to dip some of it in our dish soap like so.
Oh, like
And you don't need
so.
too much, Granny. And then what you do is you touch the food coloring. Whoa! Did you guys see that? Okay, I think I might need a bit more dish soap. Let me go ahead and go back here and get some more. And let's see it again. Whoa! It's a little bit of a slow reaction, but you can see it move away. Awesome!
That is so cool. I want to do the same. I'm gonna dip it in my pink. Whoa! Did you see how fast it moved? Whoa! It's running away. This is so much fun.
Now I'm going to take another Q-tip, put it back into the dish soap here, and then I'm just going to touch the red. Whoa! I love this milk art. It's super simple. And I think I'm going to use a little bit more soap here, and then I'm just going to touch it right here. Whoa, awesome.
I want to do my purple on the outside.
Okay,
There's a
Granny.
little bit right here. Woo! Mine just didn't float on top of the milk like yours, but
It
there it
didn't,
comes.
but as you notice, the reaction is
Wow.
actually really fast.
It is super fast.
Alright, Granny, so before we go on with our science experiment, we should go over why this milk art happens.
We should. And I know why.
Why?
Because did you know milk has fat in it and that food coloring floats on the top?
Yeah, and the fat is connected with all of these bonds.
Yes.
And so when we put the dish soap in it, it breaks the bonds and allows it to separate.
That's right.
Yep.
But now let's see some more bond breaking.
Yes, let's do it. Okay, let's add some colors. What color do you want
I
to do?
think I'm going to do. I like your green and red. So
Okay.
I'm going with green and yellow.
Ooh, okay. I want to go with the blue, but I also want to use a green, so I'll borrow it after you're
Yeah,
done.
we can share. But I start first.
Okay.
The inside of my penguin is gonna have 3 green dots. And then you see,
Whoa.
wow, that's a lot more than 3.
See, it's floating.
Yes, and here's my red.
Granny, I think you meant yellow.
Oh, did I not say yellow?
No, you said red, but it's okay.
Yeah, yellow. But here's the green you wanted to borrow.
Thank you. Okay, so for my snowman, I'm going to do the inside blue, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna do the outside green. Kind of like he's in the forest or something. One here and another one over here and another one over here.
Here's some dish soap.
Yep, I'm gonna put some on my Q-tip too.
And I think I'm ready.
Okay, go ahead, Granny.
Here we go, green. Go! Whoa! And from here, wow! Do you see that?
Do you see the swirls?
It's like, and that's, it's like a wave of color, and it's still moving.
Awesome, Granny. I love it. Okay, I'm going to do the inside of my snowman now. So let's go ahead and touch the blue. Whoa. Okay, one over here. Come on, dish soap. Oh, I'm going to get it a little bit more. Oh, there it goes. It just took a little while for their bonds to make. I'm going to get a little bit more here and touch it right there. Come on. There we go. I love this blue. It's super pretty.
So cool, but I want to see what my yellow does.
Ooh, okay.
So we're gonna touch it right here. Wow!
Yours spins all the way around, Granny.
It does, and right here. Wow! I want to get it
love
over
it.
there. Oh, that's a slower reaction. And one more right over here. Wow!
Now it's my turn again, and let's go ahead and touch the green. Whoa! Mine spun all the way around that time. I'm gonna see if I can kind of drag it. Ooh, cool. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Awesome, these are looking great, but you think maybe we should add some more food color to your snowflake?
I think we should. It looks kind of sad.
Okay.
And I think maybe we should do red on the inside. What do you think we put on the outside?
I'm thinking, how about blue?
Okay, I do the inside, you do the outside.
Okay, teamwork.
Here is red.
And here's some blue. And one more here.
And here we come with our soap. Look, this is already looking really cool, but whee!
Whoa! What a reaction!
Super fast! I love this. Oh, this was a slow reaction.
Try to drag it like I did, Granny.
Oh yeah. Let me drag this one right here. Whoa!
That's how you make art. Awesome.
But it's your turn for the outside blue.
Okay, so I'm gonna touch the blue here and ooh, it's like a surprise every time. I'm gonna go around and around and around this way a little more. Alright, let us know which one's your favorite by leaving a comment below. So here we have the Christmas tree, we have the snowman,
We have the snowflake and the penguin.
what's your favorite, Princess Granny?
My favorite has to be the snowflake.
Ooh, good choice. And my favorite has to be the Christmas tree because it's so Christmassy with the green and the red.
So much fun and really they're all my favorites. But that's the end of today's video.
If you like more science experiments, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, Prince and Princesses.
Bye.